Williams TriZone System 6 MPU came in, and it had a number of problems. A client had already done headers all the way around, which was nice. I really appreciate that. I installed NVRAM, verified the ROMs, verified 6810. There was a dead 6808 on there, so I replaced it with 6802. And interestingly, this 7408 was dead also, which was causing some problems with enabling some of the chip selects. And also one of these line buffers, it's normally an 1897, but you can substitute a LS367 in there for it. I think that's it for the MPU board, although there may be some other things. The driver board was also interesting. All three PIAs were dead. I'll send those back to the client. He knew they were dead when he sent them in, and I could confirm that. Also on this board, he had already done the 40-pin connector, which was nice. But both of these 7408s and the 7402s in the special solenoid section, and they enable some other things on the board like the lamp matrix PIA. Those were dead also, so those have all been replaced. So let's boot it up now and let's see what happens. Normal boot up, oscillating between high score to date and the last score. Here's the lamp matrix operating, and the only coil turned on right now in the solenoids is the coin lockout coil. So let's go into test. And the first test is display test. Let's get a little less light here. And you can see all those are working properly. And the next test is lamp test. Also working properly. Next test is solenoid test. Seven, 8, it'll go through all 16. The coin lockout solenoid will be de-energized, and then it's going through 6 of these special solenoids. And the special solenoids can also be triggered via switch input. So I'm going to take a ground wire and I'm going to rake this connector, and you'll see each of these special solenoids light up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that part of the circuit is working properly also. And the next test is switch test. I'm going to use my Pennytech switch tester and walk through all of column 1 and all of row 1. And that's it. TriZone only uses 35 switches, so that's as high as the switch test will ever go on this game. That is all the tests, and we can hold down the diagnostic button until it gets to the end. It's an early game. I'll have to reboot it. I was thinking system 11, so we're back to being in business. Lamp matrix, again, the coin lockout coil. Display is doing fine. So this board set is finally ready to go, and I appreciate your patience. There was a lot messed up with them, as you surmised, but all better now. Thank you for sending them.